Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have 4 feet wide in meter 1.21 meter wide outdoor sitting area here and a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So in the front we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and on the right side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and study table with chair and large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. If we go inside, so on the left side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement and dining counter with 2 chairs. Also on the right side we have wash basin here and common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.